Listen to me now, you little Tinywhoop nerds. I posted this video before and you didn't watch it because you only watched 70% of the video. I take a long time making these beautiful videos for you, so I expect you to watch the whole thing because they usually get better later. They get better, it builds up. So have some attention. And like, you know what else is unacceptable? And it vexes me greatly.
It vexes me.
68% of you watch me without being subscribed, so fix that right now. Subscribe that button. Get off your lazy butt.
I'm terribly vexed.
I know you're probably a man, so get off your lazy butt. Smash the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell notification that says always or everything, okay? So that you can see. Okay, at the end of this video, I'm gonna have 2 videos to choose from. One is going to be the Tinywhoop Masterclass. It's the greatest video on the internet about Tinywhoops. So bloody watch that. The whole thing.
You already posted it.
And, or, FPV stories. They're wonderful adventures. High effort content. Some of the finest in all of YouTube. So bloody get to watching those. And go dive into my playlists. Watch the whole beginner playlist if you're new. It'll teach you all sorts of things. And if you got a good smile or laugh out of any of this, $2 Patreon. Come on. Or I can say your name for $10, like in text form.
That's ridiculous.
Maybe I'll even read it if you want me to read it to you, if that would make you happy.
Dumb.
What's dumb?
Paying some stranger on the internet $10 to say your name for 1 second. That's ultimate stupidity.
Show my wife that it's not dumb. I'll say my name, say my name, and change, say my name. Acting kinda crazy. Let's go make some babies. Let's go do our outdoor flight.
Alone tonight, there is no one in sight. I've got no things to do but to think of you, and I can see your face, your finger on the glass that's drawing circles on my we made, the times that we misplayed, when you gave me your smile, and when you were a style,
trippers, the grasshoppers, the hip ones, all gathered in secrecy and flying high.
Maiden day, my first day flying it. And okay, overall thoughts.